Good morning. It is a beautiful day, and this is, no lie, the third take right now. I feel like this is my first day on YouTube, literally. We're here with Anthony from Two Works Motorsports, guys. No lie, this is the third take of the video. I'm going to bring you guys something really cool.
We filmed the whole thing, and the mic wasn't on. Then we filmed the whole thing, and the camera wasn't recording. So
I'm a rookie today, right? Leave me alone. No, this bike is phenomenal. I've seen it on Instagram before, and yesterday we pulled up to the hotel. We're actually staying at the same hotel. I saw it, and I'm like, oh shit, I want to see that bike in person right now. Maybe meet up and go over everything. Anthony's a phenomenal dude so far. The fact that we were doing this the third take right now tells you a lot. But there's a lot going on with this bike. Absolutely beautiful. But we're gonna give you guys a quick walkthrough of the bike, everything that's on it, all the components. And then are we ready to turn it on afterwards?
Yeah,
see how it sounds?
Sure.
So yeah, I'll give you the mic, let you go over it real quick.
What's up, guys? I'm Anthony from Do Work Motorsports. You can follow me on Instagram and YouTube. I do a lot of installs, part reviews, and we build a lot of performance baggers on the channel. This is my personal bike here. This is a 2024 Road Glide with the 117 Milwaukee 8 engine in it. We got a silver turbo kit on there, and we also have a Screaming Eagle 511 cam. So this bike, performance-wise, is pretty basic. It's literally just got a turbo kit and a cam, no other parts, no other internal engine parts installed yet. Still on the stock clutch, stock trans, stock driveline, all that. But this bike here made 160 horsepower and 160 foot-pounds of torque. Pretty impressive out of just a 117 with a turbo.
That's a Screaming Eagle cam
Yes.
on there, which is pretty impressive.
Yeah, it's really impressive. If you guys know cams, I mean, they don't make the best power with the Screaming Eagle cams. Cyclorama is a big one, and there's other cam manufacturers out there that make more power. But what I'm getting ready to do is over the next winter, we're going to tear this down and we're going to build it up to a 130 cubic inch motor with a dedicated turbo cam. And this bike should make around 240 horsepower when I'm all done with it. And this bike's actually still on a belt drive. So my other bike is a 2019 with 130 cubic inch motor on E85. It makes 175 horsepower. That bike's on chain drive. Because
you gonna do chain drive on here,
I'm basically going to wait until the belt breaks. I'm going to see how much power we can push to this bike.
I was going to say, I'm like, yo, you're talking about 200 horsepower. And
Yeah. So we'll see. I mean, I have a feeling as soon as we put the bigger motor in this, it's going to shred the belt. But I want to bring that content to the channel. I want to show you guys how much power it takes to snap a belt.
To break it.
So that's what we're going to do with this
content,
one.
Man.
Yeah.
Talk about the theme real quick.
So
the paint job.
Yeah. So the theme here is fighter jet themed. It's obviously a tribute to armed forces, to the U.S. Air Force. We got the no step on the bags. We've got the F-22. You know,
is that for fighter jet?
Yeah, the Raptor, nice. For sure. So, and we got the logo on the tank as well. Kind of put Harley Davidson into the mix as well on there. And this is actually all stickers, guys. Everything you see here is vinyl. It's stickers. It's not paint.
You know, I didn't know that. I thought from the distance, saw photos. I thought there was a bunch of carbon under here.
Yeah, nope.
But then I see it up close,
wrapped.
Kind of tell, but
yep, it's wrapped.
It looks really cool.
My buddy owns a graphic shop, so we just kind of put something together for Daytona Bike Week and unveiled it down there, back in March. But yeah, so I went with the whole fighter jet theme because of the billiard gray color. We got the Bad Boy Cycles new step-up seat on here. Really comfortable seat, and looks killer on there. But yeah, we got the Kraus T-bars up front there with the Wolf 1 Pro kit, and got the boost gauge there as well. And this bike's just honestly really fun to ride. Like I said, I have a 2019 Road Glide as well with a big motor in it and on E85, and that's fun in its own ways. But this is just, I mean, it grabs attention. I mean, I was pulling up through Milwaukee yesterday, and everybody's like, "Oh my God, there's a turbo on that!" You crack it, and it sounds amazing.
It's the turbo, it's the paint job, it's everything. Yeah. It looks very well put together. Sometimes,
I appreciate that,
dude. Honestly, and if I would just tell you, like, it's a little
right. Much, yeah.
Nah, but this is
and honestly, after I did the wheels, it was a little too vibrant for me. I did the gold wheels on my other bike, and it looked good, but the blue is kind of like too much. And that's kind of what I was thinking. I was like, you know what? Maybe I did it a little overkill, a little bit on the blue with the wheels.
No, you know what? It was phenomenal. Now, I was gonna actually bring that up right now because these wheels, I was asking her, and I'm like, hey, are those what wheels are those? She was like, those stock wheels.
Yeah.
But the thing is that you can't even tell. Once you're powder coated, you can kind of see.
Well, you can see the sparkle. You can see the pearl and the blue there.
But even like the detail, the
right,
cutouts.
Right. Yeah,
make it look very, very special.
Yeah, my powder coater does a really good job, and he did all my stuff on my other bike as well.
Tell us about the light cover.
Yeah, so the headlight cover is basically to make the bike look more like the race bikes, you know, like the Bagger Racing League bikes. And this is actually off eBay. It's just a plastic cover that's Velcroed on, and basically you can ride it all day long, no issues during the daytime. But you definitely want to take it off. Yeah, you definitely want to take it off during the night because it does get pretty dark.
I was asking him before because I have I had the black cover on my Baja LP6, and the black cover you cannot keep it on there because it'll melt it off, the plastic. But this you could run it on.
Yep,
and this is really nice.
And then at night I take it off and put it in the tour pack. It fits in the tour pack. If I get caught at night.
And that's on eBay. You bought that?
eBay, yeah, it was like $80, and just Velcro's right on
eBay
there.
coming in, baby.
Yeah, for sure.
Over Jeff Bezos Customs.
It looks a lot better. I feel like with the black.
No, dude, I love it. I love the look. I think it looks great.
So,
really cool. And then you got we got Fox suspension in the back. You say you do in the front?
I have Fox in the front as well. I just haven't installed it yet. But yeah, Fox suspension in the rear. These are the 12-inch shocks because I'm a shorter rider, so I like the 1 inch lower on the shocks there. But yeah,
us short kings over here, you know, coming in hard.
So yeah, the Fox suspension is really nice on this bike. I run Olin's on my other bike, and I gotta say the Fox is very, very comparable. Definitely like the way the Fox handles. I can't wait to get the front cartridges in there and really, finish it off.
Well, dude, honestly, the bike looks phenomenal. It looks great. I think we could end the video, give you guys a nice little sound check of what this beast sounds like. I didn't know what turbo kit it was before because I haven't seen one like this, but even the exhaust on it, the design of the cutouts and everything is just beautiful, man.
It's the thin pipe.
I love that.
Clears for your leg.
I love that. I love that. Super, super clean. I got to say, might be one of the nicest ones I've seen.
Thank you.
Really nice setup.
Yeah, we'll go ahead and start it up for you and get you guys a sound clip.
That sounds amazing. I hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. This bike is very, very tastefully done. That is the proper thing to say.
You got a lowrider ST, right?
Yeah.
Or a lowrider S?
ST, the tobacco, yeah.
Okay, so Silver makes a kit specifically for your bike. So make sure you hit up Silver Turbo.
So here's the thing. I've been talking to my friends the past 2 days. I'm like, there's a few more things that I want to do to my bike, and I was thinking about a turbo. I'm not sure. I'm still a little hesitant because of the amount.
It costs double to build a all-motor bike like the one behind me.
Yeah.
It costs double to build that bike to make the same horsepower. You bolt the turbo kit on a stock motor or a stage 2 motor with a cam, and you make that power for right around $5,000. Yeah. Where to build a motor to make 160, 170 horsepower, you got 10 grand in the motor.
Yeah, easily.
So just one of those things. I just wanted to put that out there. Silver Turbos is not really known. It's not like Trask, This guy's out of Minnesota. He builds a lot of snowmobile turbo kits and Razor side-by-side turbo kits. And I actually was one of the first guys on YouTube to install a silver turbo kit and review it and actually put it to the test and ride this thing hard. So make sure you guys go check them out if you're interested in some turbos. But yeah, I think the Lowrider ST needs a turbo on it.
I think it might. That's gonna be it, guys. If you're new to the channel, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell button to notify you anytime I upload any type of new content. And like always, let the force be with you. Ride safe and enjoy the ride, baby. Peace.